morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time zone, and welcome to the last World Pack Talk Show of 2023. My name is Lilian Benzi. I'm WPO Press and Communication Officer, and today I welcome a very special guest, Hartanto Yuwu, that is from the marketing area of Indopoly. Indopoly is a new corporate partner of WPO. And it's really a pleasure to interview the representative of Indopoly. That is a company that manufactures a wide range of bio-PP and bio-PET films for the flexible packaging industry. Indopoly products are commercialized all over the world under the brand Eileen Films. So let's hear what this company with 25 years of experience has to share with us in terms of innovation and trends. Welcome, Hartanto, to World Pack Talk Show.
Thank you so much, Lilian, for having me. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening for you guys, whatever you're at. My name is Hartanto Yuwu, and I work for Indopoly Swakarsa Industri in Indonesia.
Okay, so Hartanto, let's go to the news. What are the main trends Indopoly sees for the future applications of bio-PP and bio-PET?
Well, definitely we have been seeing several trends in bio-PP and bio-PET, definitely mostly revolving around sustainability initiatives. One of it is recyclability for sure through monostructure for both bio-PP and bio-PET, and also polyolefinic structure for bio-PP. We'll have been also seeing a lot of PCR on the news whenever we visit events and talk to people. And we also have been seeing lower carbon footprint through down gauging, or definitely lower density for bio-PP. And other than that, we also have been seeing biodegradable products for bio-PP. We totally understand that for future applications for all these materials are likely to continue to evolve depending on the market needs for sure, right? But we do strongly believe that we have to be focusing more on simplifying and not over-engineering film structures, because this is really, really important and key in our pursuit to reducing the greenhouse gas emissions.
Okay, so Hartanto, we know that Indopoly products have a very positive impact in some major issues like food safety, safe food, and sustainability. So consider all that you have answered in the first question, how the products can match, can fulfill and attend these global trends.
Well, definitely, Indopoly has been one of the key players in the market, especially in our region, as we heavily invest in research and development to continue innovating and developing structures for sustainability products and processes. And we have developed such a wide range of barrier films from high to ultra high, especially to replace aluminum foil. So that's one of the product that definitely serves for sustainability. And in regards to recyclability, we have expanded our portfolio to support mono and also polyolefinic structure, like I've mentioned earlier. And we do strongly believe that sometimes thinner is not always better. So in terms of carbon footprint reduction, sometimes the processes it can be cumbersome, right? So but we definitely continue our research and development for possible thinner gauge, especially if the functionality is pretty similar to the previous one. And then we also proudly announced that we are ISCC Plus certified. So it does allow us to produce PCR film at the moment. And rest assured, we are also always keep up to date. We are ISO 9001, 45001, 14001, and FSSCC 22000 certified. And we are also working on a couple of other certifications as we follow the trend in the market.
Okay, and do you think that the flexible packaging industry, that is your main customer for this films, are ready to accept and to transform all this innovation in terms of materials that you are offering, like the BOPP and BOPET innovations? Are they ready for it?
Well, really depending on the market and really depending on which suppliers and brand owners at the end of the day, right? Because we all agree that we have to tackle down the greenhouse gas emission as soon as possible, right? So definitely at the end of the day, it's all about pricing, who's gonna bear, the cost. In terms of readiness, for sure, everybody has been really chasing after all this PCR or sustainability. It has to really involve a lot of stakeholders, a lot of government involvement as well, a lot of brand owners involvement as well, because at the end of the day, we have to do it from our household, right? So every single household and families need to understand how to separate waste, for example, to support all this recyclability. So we can go all around the loop for sure.
Great. And that means that you consider the education of consumers a very important part of this chain?
Definitely. So for example, we have been seeing in a couple of markets that have been heavily focusing on more the retailers. So they are the one who spearhead this initiative. For the other market, we have been seeing it's more on the government push. They have been educating their citizen to separate the waste. So the waste collection is very easy to recycle at the end of the day. So really depending on the country, the culture, who's going to be the make the biggest push at the end of the day.
Okay, so WPO is really happy of having Indopoly as a corporate partner. But now I want to know what do you expect from WPO from being a corporate partner, and especially for being part of this global packaging community? What WPO can do for you?
Well, definitely we do agree that, just quoting one African proverbs, if you want to go fast, definitely you need to go alone. You can go alone pretty much, but if you want to go far, then you have to go together, right? And WPO as a global packaging community, which feels like home, to be honest, from the beginning. That's the it was a very welcoming environment for me to be involved in as part of Indopoly and WPO at the same time, to really promote, the better quality of life for sure, right? And then we would like to continue be more involved in any events, in any educational training activities all around the globe as much as possible. And WPO really helps us to have a more free kind of like sharing is caring kind of like situation, because it's kind of like knowledge-based, education-based, which we feel strongly that it does help everyone to share what's good and what's not, right, in every single area. At the end of the day, we are trying to tackle all this food waste problem, the food safety, and the sustainability packaging, sustainable packaging in different region where, temperature plays a huge part of it, how the government regulations play part of it as well. So by having all this information accessible through WPO, it really does help us to navigate through.
Okay, and that's great. And let me tell you, now we have we just came back from our board meeting, and we launched a new product that is already available in the web page. It's called Facts and Figures. There you can find some numbers, some trends of segments of the packaging. So
Definitely.
It's not that you mentioned it about the resources we are offering.
Yes.
So, Hartanto, we are coming to an end in our talk show. It was really amazing that in such a few minutes you gave a very comprehensive idea of what Indopoly can offer the packaging market and the flexible packaging market, especially in terms of trends and innovation and sustainability. So I would like to invite you to leave a final message to the audience.
Well, I found this one great quote the other day that I would like to share with you and everybody. It says, I put it down here a little bit. Society grows great when old men plant trees whose shade they know they shall never sit in. So I would really encourage us to be those wise planters, right? Sowing the seeds of progress, kindness, and sustainability for the greatness we may never meet. So it's really for the future generations, and this is really our legacy that we can feel as a testament for the positive change of and the enduring of spirit of humanity for sure. So really, let's walk with purpose and collaborate together and be such a great team members, family members within WPO for sure. And then we can definitely help the world to be a better place to live.
I have no doubt about it. And you mentioned a magic word, wisdom. So connecting all the major global issues, that is sustainability, safe food, food safety, with wisdom, I have no doubt we can deliver great packaging solutions. And we know that packaging is a very important item for all of these global trends, because packaging guarantees a longer shelf life to the products. Packaging makes the products available for more people for longer, and packaging makes the products to achieve the markets in perfect conditions. As we always say in WPO, packaging is a solution and not a problem. And better packaging is definitely an important tool to guarantee better quality of life for more people around the world. And that is WPO vision. So Hartanto, thank you so much for sharing so much knowledge, trends with us. And thank very much for the audience. Hope to see you all in another World Pack Talk show in 2024. Thank you very much. Thank you, Hartanto.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great one.